So far, so good. Yes, I'm tired walking. I love it. It's great. Much better than I expected. It's very good. I think you have a little bit of everything here, so good job.
Quy mô tổ chức nó rất là lớn và rất là chuyên nghiệp. Các khách hàng mà có cái nhu cầu thực, những khách hàng rất là tiềm năng.
Every year we visit SaigonTex. We look for new developments, new garments, new technology.
I think it does. There's definitely like a big variety of suppliers. It was great. It's really nice to find the people who are experts at what they do and be able to have conversations with them and just like learning in general, like their suppliers in fabrics, in textiles, like the production for embroidery, things like that. So it's always nice to really learn the process and what they're best at.